Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we are demolishing an apartment. Well, we're starting to anyway. We're just doing the kitchen and the bathroom. Alright, so I just got to grab some drop sheets here. Everything's business as usual here. Alright, so this is the Art Deco style building. I think it was built in the 1930s, and we're going to have a look inside, but I think the kitchen and bathroom are from the 1930s. Oh, I'll tell you what, as I was filming that, I had to rush out and sort out my parking. They may have closed the borders, but there's still parking wardens outside, so I guess some things stay the same. Alright, before we start ripping it apart, this is the kitchen. Like I said, it's probably the original kitchen. It's very farm style, 1930s, with the tongue and groove boards on the walls. Classic Kiwi stainless steel bench top. Hot water cylinder in the corner, that's probably the only thing that'll stay. And if you go through here, we have a hell of a bathroom. This is coming right out. That ceiling is... Alright. Because this place isn't, you know, it's empty, no one's living here, the power's been switched off, and the owner warned me of that, so it's all good. I just got to call this number and get the power switched on.
Sorry about the wait while we attend to earlier callers. We'll be with you as soon as we can.
Oh, hi there. I'm a builder and I'm working on an apartment. Whew, it's getting hot. Got to keep this mask on, this is lead paint. It's native timber though, such a waste. But check it out. Not used to knocking out such a solid kitchen. I'm used to knocking out kitchens that are just, you know, MDF cabinets or melamine cabinets. But this is solid wood. So these frames are going to take a bit of persuasion. This has got dumb idea written all over it. So don't try this at home. The things I do for the shot, eh? Getting on top of myself now. But time to load up the bin. Whew. Just had 2 visitors. I got recommended this stuff here when we did that kitchen video. Zip wall. Second visitor. Go to the pub. What do you think of the bathroom?
Ripping it all out, mate.
When we did the kitchen video and we had the plastic up on the walls and we're taping it, a lot of you guys in the comments mentioned zip wall. And I got a hold of a starter set for our next job, so thanks for that.
They call that the giraffe style toilet system.
Is that right? Do you see many of those tub shower bases?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're around?
Shub.
Shub, is that what they're called?
Yeah.
The name for everything.
Yeah, it's horrible.
A lot of the stuff is original, you know. We've got this old pipes here, and I think this was an old cooling cupboard that they've blocked up since. They didn't have fridges, so they would put cupboards like this with the cold air coming in and put the stuff that they wanted to keep cool in there. And yeah, you see them in a lot of old buildings around New Zealand. This is rubbish, man.
Yeah.
So it just all lifts.
Have a look at this waste pipe, Scott.
Look at this floor.
Yeah, have a look at that. Might be time for upgrade.
Yeah, I think you might be right. This floor is sloping. Do you reckon it's sloping on purpose? Or should we lift this up?
Let's see what it looks like.
What the fuck? Damn.
It's connected to a steel pipe. So,
Oh, yeah.
so it might be worth it to upgrade with a little newspaper.
Oh my god. Alright, newspaper. See what year we're working with here, eh? It's hard to make up anything good out of this. I don't think I'm going to be able to find a year. Canterbury Power Board. High Street, Rangiora. On November 1976. Oh yeah, so there's news about the 70s, and they're talking about the 70s in the past tense. In November 1976. Come to think of it, that bathtub looks pretty 70s, right? These are... Thank you, Voda.
See you later.
Appreciate it.
No worries.
Check this out. I think we're going to get out of here, but before I leave, I've been doing a bit more demo in the bathroom. This is a cupboard in that room there. And we're removing this cupboard to make a bit more bathroom floor space. And look, I found another newspaper. I'm using it as like backing for plastering. And I found a date. Saturday, April 26th. 1997. So this washing machine situation was put in, yeah, back in 1997. So that's probably the most recent improvement of this place, I'd imagine, aside from a bit of paint here and there. All right, I'm gonna get out of here.